Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing the usage of NumPy where in NumPy for conditional data. We'll be seeing the practical implementation of it. First, let's understand where this NumPy where is basically used. So NumPy where is basically used in our filtering part. So first we have to import our NumPy library. So import NumPy as NP. Now we are going to do filtering conditions. Okay, so we are going to generate an array. In order to generate an array, you have to start with np.array. Okay, we are going to pass different elements in form of list. Okay, such that the array will be created. Now, what you are going to do is we are going to extract the elements. Okay, with element value less than 100. Okay, so first let us apply this condition. Array less than 100. So what does it do? It will take each and every elements. Okay, it will check the condition. Based on that, it will be returning you Boolean values. First, it will be checking whether 1 less than 100. 1 less than 100, right? True. Then 2 less than 100. True. 1010 less than 100. False. So likewise, the Boolean values will be returned. Okay. Once after checking this condition, okay, we have to make use of numpy.where. So np.where, we are going to check array less than 100. So what does this np.where basically find is? It usually returns the index where the condition is satisfied. Okay, where the conditions are satisfied. Satisfied is nothing but the place where we have got the Boolean value is true. So consider this result. Okay, consider this result. Here we have got true value at index position 1, 0, 1, 3, 5, and 6. Right? So these are the true parts, right? Based upon applying the condition, it will be returning the Boolean value. So in numpy.where, it usually returns the index where the conditions are basically satisfied. So it returns 0, 1, 3, 5, and 6. Okay, that index value is basically written in case of where. Now, if you want to extract the elements which are in those indexes, now what we have to do is from this array, okay, from the generator created array, we are going to provide numpy.where array of 100. So what happens? The index values would be replaced, okay, where we have got received the values as true. So depending upon that, the values will be extracted. So it will be extracting the values which is less than 100. So in case of filtering part, your numpy.where will be helpful. Okay. Next, let us check. We are going to create an array too. Okay. So numpy.array, we are just going to provide the Boolean values directly without applying any conditions. So here, what happens when we provide np.where of array2? What basically happens? So it will be extracting the place where we have received the Boolean value true. So 0 and 1, right? So the index positions will be written. Okay. So in order to extract the index positions, okay, then in order to extract the values at index positions, okay, so you can combine just the index position, you can make use of np.where. Then from that array, okay, from that array, if you want to extract the specific value, okay, where this array is less than 100, you can check, extract it, okay, so you can combine. And then third usage of this numpy.where is you can update the values of the arrays, okay. So this is the array that we have generated. Now what we are going to do is for the values in the element of an array, which is greater than 100, okay, we are going to replace it with 10. So in this array, we have got values 1010, 108, 610. So these are the values that is greater than 100, right? We are going to replace them by 10. So first what you have to do, you have to call this array. Then we have to extract the position where the value is greater than 100. So numpy.where array greater than 100. Okay, such that it will be returning you. What is the value that basically returns? It will be returning you 2, 4, and 7. Right? So in those positions, the values would be updated as 10. So look at the position values 2, 4, and 7. What happens? The values are being updated. Okay. So this is how the value updation can be done. Okay, now when you print the array, what happens? The values which is greater than 1010, okay, which is greater than 100 will be replaced. That is what the purpose of where. That's the end of using numpy.where in numpy for conditional data. Thank you.